Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Before we start, I will point a thing. As you see, non-subscribed users ratio is higher than subscribed users. So please subscribe to my channel to support me. It's the only thing that motivates me. Now let's continue to the video. Okay guys, welcome back. And we have this photo. I'm gonna put the link in my description below for you guys. And first let's select this photo, press S. Let's change the scale. Let's make it like this. Okay. And now let's go to FX presets. Let's search for CC Sphere. And let's use it for this photo. Okay, as you can see, it already created our Earth. And now let's change some settings. And first let's go to the light. And let's change the light intensity. Okay, this is good. And now let's change the light height. Let's make it 45. Let's open the shading. Let's change ambient to 15. And decrease the diffuse to 90. And let's change the specular to 15. Okay, now let's rotate planet. Go to rotation. And let's make rotation keyframe. And Y keyframe and Z keyframe. But make sure you are in the first keyframe. And now let's go to the 5 second and press N from keyboard. And right mouse here and click to trim comp to work area. Let's go to the first second actually and change this to X rotation. Let's make it like this and Y rotation like that. And go to the last second. Let's make it like this and change it like that. And also change the Z rotation. Let's make it like it. Let's see. Okay, nice, it looks good. Now let's create a solid for background. And let's make it dark blue. And call it background. Let's move to down and press T. Let's change the opacity to 5. Or maybe 20. Okay, I have also video for background. I'm gonna use it for my Earth. Let's add it. And select the background, press T. Let's change the opacity to 25. Let's see now. Okay, nice. Let's go to first second and select this map. Go to FX control. Make a keyframe for radius. And go to the end and let's change it like that. Let's see. Okay, nice. If you have any other pictures like Mars texture or Saturn or any other planet's texture, you can use CC Sphere effect for that and use it in your animations. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.